Hello everybody and welcome back to our Kids Cooking Corner. We have two new recipes for you to try today. The first one we are going to do is ham and cheese pinwheels using tortillas. You can get the big ones for burritos. You are going to need 8 slices of cheese, any cheese that you like. It could be cheddar or American cheese or mozzarella, whatever you prefer. Then you're going to need some ham slices. We already got the pre-packaged. You are going to need 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. So we have this cream cheese and we took the tablespoon and we put 4 in this cup right here. You are going to need toothpicks, some lettuce. Miss Lorena already chopped it up. And you are going to need something to put your tortillas on, and you are going to need some knives. So when you work with the knives, remember, please have your parents assist you in that so that you don't get hurt. And before we get started, remember when you're working with food to always wash your hands before you start. So the first thing you are going to do is to take a big tortilla and put it on a cutting board or something you have. Then you are going to take the cream cheese and a knife and you're going to put 2 tablespoons on the tortilla. And then what you're going to do is spread it around. As you can see, Miss Lorena is doing. You can leave your cream cheese out to soften maybe like an hour or 2 before you do this, because ours is still a little cold. I don't think we left it out long enough, but it's okay. Good. So while she is spreading it around, I'm going to say what the next thing we're going to do is. So the next thing after the cream cheese is we are going to put some of the ham slices onto the tortilla. Now you can add as many as you would like. There is no limit. You can add 2, 3, 4. It's all up to your preference. And if you do not like ham, you can use turkey or any other meat that you like. And you can get it either from the deli or you can do it like us and get it already prepackaged in a thing like this. So then after you are done putting the ham on top of the cream cheese, you are going to take the lettuce and put that on top. So you could just sprinkle it on if you chopped it up, or if you just have the whole piece of lettuce, you could just lay them on top. It's all up to you. And then after that, we are going to put the cheese on top. And like I said, you can use any type of cheese you prefer. We are using cheddar cheese. And for each one, you will put 4 slices of cheese on top. And then after that, Miss Lorena is going to roll the tortilla very tightly. So you're going to start with the edge closest to you. And watch Miss Lorena, she's going to roll it very, very tight. And then once she is done rolling it like that, you are going to cut it into little sections. So 2 inches, or if you prefer more or less, it's all up to you. And then once you cut them into sections, you're going to take the toothpicks and stick it through so that they hold together. Just like that. And there you have it. You have ham and cheese pinwheels. I hope you enjoy making this. It is good for a picnic if you want to go outside and enjoy the beautiful day. Or if you just want a quick snack, you can make it like that as well. And here you have it. You have our ham and cheese pinwheels. I hope you enjoy making it as much as we did. And stay tuned for our next food that we are going to make. Hello, so now we are going to show you an easy French bread pizza recipe. So you are going to need cheese, any cheese that you like, pepperoni, some bread, French bread, you can find it at most grocery stores, and you're going to need some marinara sauce, and you are going to need a knife to cut the bread. So remember, if using knives, please have your parents help you with it so that nobody gets hurt. And you are going to need a baking pan and some foil. So the first thing that you are going to do is cut the bread in half horizontally. Now we cut our bread in half first and then cut it in half horizontally, but if you want to use the whole bread, you can. So then after you cut it, you are going to add the marinara sauce, like you see Miss Lorena doing. And then you are going to add the cheese. We have a mozzarella and provolone blend, but you can use any cheese that you prefer. You can use cheddar or Swiss or American or any cheese that you like. And the same goes for the toppings. We are using pepperoni, but you can use sausage, mushrooms, green pepper, red pepper, any topping that you normally would have on a pizza. Or you could be creative and try something new. So now she's going to add the pepperoni on top. So before you start making this, you should have your parents preheat the oven to 375. And then you are going to do this while it is preheating. And then once the oven is ready and you are done putting your sauce, cheese, and toppings on, you will put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. So we would put this in the oven for 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes, you take it out and it's ready to eat. It looks really good. So I really hope that you enjoy making this because I know we will enjoy eating it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.